All right, wherever you want to go actually today is fine with me.
I mean, I'm open, so wherever you want.
Want to just ride through Golden Gate for a bit, go down to Ocean Beach, take a left, and then go down that way and then come back? Sure. Everyone back over! Holy shit! It is really hot today. Yeah, it'd be nice if we could get like a big group going like I see in NYC.
I know.
Oh my god.
I told Ryan, I'm like, man, you gotta get some guys together. He's like, yeah, I do.
Yeah, they got like, I'd say at least 10 to 15 daily riders that ride around together now.
Yeah.
And it's like, wow, you guys actually are rolling pretty deep. I'm kind of jealous. Do you stay in normal mode most of the time, or?
I got Turner's battery. I'm just.
Oh yeah, you just keep in sport all the time now.
Like range is not an issue for me now.
Right. How is the weight difference? How much more does it weigh?
You know, this Turner's battery weighs about 35 pounds.
Okay, so 15 pounds more.
Yeah.
It's not too bad.
Actually, I don't know the weight of the regular one.
The regular one's I think 20.
Okay.
So yeah, that's actually not too bad for like the slight increase that day too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice little, I forgot that's there.
Oh, that cut through?
Yeah, because that goes over to the track, right?
This is the polo field.
Yeah.
Have you been down?
Yeah, I rode there, I don't remember when it was, like 2 weeks ago? I was just like, holy shit, there's a track down here. You guys alright? Oh, that's nice.
What's that?
Ah, gotcha.
Oh.
Yeah, I was just down here like 2 weeks ago. But it was, yeah, people running around. Oh, that stinks.
I heard it too.
Thanks. They're called the Onyx, the electric mopeds.
If you said,
Yep.
oh, if you
The
said-
headquarters is also
oh, that
here in this
stinks.
city and also in LA. So if you ever want to get one, you could probably go to their headquarters and demo one, which is pretty nice.
Smell that it
Oh, that is
stinks.
probably just as fast as a motorcycle, right?
In some modes,
no,
yes.
Not really.
Yeah.
I'm saying this is beyond the 30 mile.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Within city speed limits, yes.
Yeah, and it's also one of those things. The city's kind of small for this anyway, so it almost works. You know.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
All right, you too, man. I check out your video.
No, thanks, bud. Have a good one, guys.
I was gonna say, if we could ride that track, it's a good way to tell the difference in the setting.
Right. Yeah.
You can go that way.
Down here.
Yeah.
actually did notice now how crazy insane this, like how small this thing looks from the back. like if you like go next to a motorcycle, which is always funny. I've noticed this, that like motorcycles will come and like ride next to you and just like, what the fuck is that? Because they're trying to figure out like, that's not a and I can't hear anything.
Yeah.
And they're like, it looks like a bike, but it's going too fast. Where you want to ride? You want to go just down?
Up to you, man.
Yeah, we fart around down here. Yeah, this is where Kevin and I went down during the apocalypse, and we did a race.
Yeah.
We literally raced on this road right here. Shit, I'm trying to think of what's good. Or even like maybe a taco place.
How are you doing with the battery?
Oh, I actually switched it out. I'm using yours right now.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I'm testing it. I'm just like, yeah, I'm sure it works.
All right.
Just want to make sure, like, you know, it's still as good as mine. I'm sure it is.
Yeah. I mean,
but yeah, it's running
probably
nice,
had
man.
maybe like.
I just need to balance my
less
other
than
one
12
now.
cycles.
Yeah, I mean that's nothing, man. I finally just bricked one of my my extended range batteries on my boosted board.
Yeah.
Which I'm just like, damn it, because it's like a $300-400 battery just for that thing.
Yeah, man.
And I'm like, I've gone about 4,000 to 5,000 miles on that battery, so I can't really complain. But I was just still like, God damn it, because I mean, I've been so close to where it's at like 1%, where it's like if you go literally to 0, it will brick your battery and it goes to what they call the rolling light of death.
Yeah.
Because it imbalances all the cells, so unfortunately. There's a place you can actually send them in and the people will work on them, but it's like $100 or something like that. That's a nice scooter.
Is that fuel truck?
No, I think it's like, it looks like a Cabo, like maybe a Mantis of some sort. Could also be like a Speedway of some sort as well.
Or you want to go back that way up Cliff House?
Yeah, we can go back up to Cliff House and then kind of just down back into the outer Richmond.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, huh. Looks like someone set up some good jumps though. Yeah, let's see if we can do it.
Alright, let's see.
Let's see what this looks like.
Your tires are better too than mine.
Yeah, we have found some bike trail, and thankfully I have the right tires for this. There we go.
Oh shoot, we might have to do stairs.
Man. Yeah, we could still just go back.
All right.
Let's just see how these do up that hill.
Sorry, man. It's not.
It's all right. You never know unless you try, man. Back here. These shocks actually don't seem that bad. Everyone says they're pretty stiff, but I also weigh like 175, 180 pounds.
Yeah.
But like, feels fine to me.
No, I think they were fine. I mean, definitely these Ego Boosts are a little bit softer.
Oh, I'm sure they are.
But I don't think it's the end of the world if you didn't upgrade.
Exactly, yeah. I'm thinking of getting those sometime down the road though. He's gonna go over what he has done currently to his bike, because my bike's right here, his bike's right here, and go.
So we did the Domino full throttle, the bar end mirrors. I went with the, we switched the brake levers out to black.
Nice. Yeah, those
the
look nice.
one.
As you guys can see, mine is silver, his is black.
Just put the mud guard on the front.
Nice.
Switched out this to the black because I had the black panel.
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah. Mine's silver, I noticed that. Okay, cool.
Got the Ego Boost shocks on it. And then another set of the Moto Blaze pin blinkers on the back.
Nice. Nice. Look at those blinkers, guys. Those are nice and sleek. I do like the look of these because they don't protrude as much as mine. But the difference between mine do have the daytime running lights.
Daytime running lights are awesome. And then basically...
Oh, and then you just have a few different changes on the controls right
yeah,
here.
these, and then these are the updated ones that all the new bikes are coming
Oh, nice. Yeah, I think mine has those on there, I think.
And then this is it, and then we got the new updated swing arm.
Yep, and then the updated swing arm, guys, is a little bit longer extended here. It used to be about this short. People were just having slight issues with it, just not obviously having as much, what'd you say, shock absorption. It was also getting bent a lot. Yeah, they're electric and they go anywhere from 20 to up to 60 miles an hour.
Oh yeah, $5,000?
Yeah, roughly around there, yeah. And the cool thing is their headquarters are here in San Francisco and their other one is in LA. So if you live in one of these two cities, yep, you can actually go pick them up there and you don't have to worry about shipping, which is pretty cool.
Well, they're good looking.
Well, thank you.
On the road, are they considered a bike or a motorcycle?
So there's three different modes. There's the normal, the eco, and then the sport mode. So in the normal mode, if you rode it responsibly, yeah, you could ride it in the bike lane because
it's manual.
Yeah,
pedal?
you can still pedal it. It has pedal assist. Right. So you can go up to about 20 miles an hour in that mode. Then the normal mode's 40 miles an hour. Then if you're planning on actually going somewhere where you have to go somewhere and use the actual road, the sport mode goes up to 60 miles an hour. Huh?
No, I missed the curve.
Oh, that's okay. Yeah.
No better.
Yeah, it's been a minute since I've been down here. Hey guys. I got an odd question. You guys wouldn't have any like extra like masks that I could buy from you, would you?
Mask?
Yeah, because we were out riding with my helmet and I just realized I don't have a mask.
I'll bring one to you.
Okay, all right, thank you. Oh, okay. So
But
which bike do you have?
He has my first Onyx,
Okay, okay.
and then, but it's in the shop. So
Right.
He's been using the.
Of course.
Yeah.
That's-
I mean, I
that's
want to say that this
interesting.
battery only weighs like 15 pounds or something like that.
Yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, those only weigh 20. His weighs 35 though, so fuck.
I know. I just put. I got. This is my. I just put the new one I picked up 2 weeks ago, and then I gave him my older. Was only 3 months old, so
Yeah.
both the bikes are running long range.
Hell yeah. Well, yeah, let's try to get together for another ride sometime soon.
Yeah.
I'll see if I can get some more riders to come out. Like I said, I know a few Super 73 riders. See if we can get them.
When I told them we're gonna do I'm gonna try to get Ryan and everyone at the shop to
Yeah.
meet up at Fig.
Yeah, hell yeah.
So at least we'll get all the Onyx shop guys.
Yeah, that'd be dope, man. And I mean, hell, who knows? Like, even if we can get even other riders that even aren't electric, fuck. Like, if we can get some Honda Grom or some Ruckus riders,
Yeah.
that'd be
Kind of fun.
dope,
Yeah,
you know?
kind of cool.
Because I want some of those too. It's just like, I think everyone in the Bay Area needs to just start like riding with each other,
Yeah.
you know?
And I think I mean Ryan's really good friends with David Shaw.
Yeah.
Jen.
Yep, yep.
So they'll
Remember,
we have one right here on Arguello.
yeah, there's another one. Hey, there goes another Onyx. Try and catch up to him. But yeah, I'll talk to you soon, guys. Rider! Hey, how you liking your Onyx? What's up, dude?